Hello, I want to present a novel painting program for DOS or FreeDOS. You can compile it on Linux, I think. I didn't put the build files for it into the repository, but anyone who wants to convert it to any platform he wants, it would be not complicated, I think. I'm a German, that's why my English is not so good. I show now the program. The program, it's called Wypa. You have seen it. Oder Wypa, doch. In English it's also Wypa. And that's the program. You have all the stuff you also have in Photoshop somehow. Also there's many things you find in Photoshop or in Clip Studio Paint or in Krita or in GIMP or something similar. You can find many of the stuff here. You can just create a new image. It's HD. And now you see in the pictures, there's the new image here, like it's selected. You have some picture info, you can edit your authoring, author information and date and so on. Put a comment into it. There's a lot of functionality behind all this stuff. And now you can paint. Somehow I choose a bigger circle here. Somehow you have different paint tools. Maybe I don't take a circle, but this one, a big one of this, don't know. Color is selected like this. It's now you see the colors here. That are the older colors which already have been used. And now you can paint with it. That's not so interesting. You have text, you can insert text. You have a color grading. That's very interesting because the color grading works on the fly. Maybe you can just change the hue. You see now that's, and if I paint further, then the hue is also changed. And you see here, you can see this one here, like is with the hue and it's without the hue. As a color grading, you see the color here. If you paint again, you of course can bake this stuff. I don't want to show much. If it's baked, now it's baked, and now you have the normal painting color again. It's baked, you see. Yeah, and also you have the filters like difference clouds. Just choose it. Don't know. Maybe just I have to add a layer. For the difference clouds, filter difference clouds. Takes some time because it's not on the graphics card. You see, looks pretty strange. It's Premul. And you can just change the layer mode to add. Or to, I didn't, you'd of course have undo. Maybe, don't know. What happened here? Should close it, I think. Let's see if difference clouds. I choose this one. Filter difference clouds. It's in work in progress. And you see, I didn't create a layer before I didn't click the right button, I think. Don't know. Now you see it's just blended over and you can paint onto the front. Like this or in the back. Like this. Yeah, all the best. It's a pretty complete paint program, as said. Many features, many stuff to do. All the best and have a good day. And I'm programming further on it. I think maybe there are bugs. I didn't wrote a docu. It's pretty strange to use, and maybe you have to wait for documentation on how to use it. Have a great day and all the best.